How to create group tabs in Google Chrome using mobile. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it was very easy. First of all, open Google Chrome. Now here you guys will see on top right corner three dots. So I will simply click on these three dots. Here you guys will see new tab. So simply click on new tab. Once you click on new tab, after that click here. Once you click here, on top left side you guys will see plus icon. So I will simply click on plus icon. Here you need to write group tab name, so I will simply write a name. After that click on done. Once I click on done, my group tab will be created. Here I can add multiple tabs and use it, like you guys can see. That's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.